Hey, hi. So your purpose system is ready. Let me give you the demo and give the explanation part of it. So see, basically in our project now, initially we discussed we will cover three vulnerabilities. Okay, but I have covered six vulnerabilities like SQL injection. Okay, this one is first one. CSRF, second one, and third one is remote code execution, security misconfiguration, broken authentication, and remote code execution. So these are the six vulnerabilities I have implemented in our system. Okay, so for the SQL injection, I have created this payload file. So system is going to check every each and every uh, payload one by one in the given URL. Okay, so it's work accordingly. So first to run the project, what you have to do, you have to install a Python. Okay, you can go with a 3.10 or 9 anything, and don't go with 3.11 or 3.12. Okay, and then after installing Python, make sure when you install the Python, so you have to click to add to path option. Okay, when you double click on exe file, it will give you option to add path in environment setup like that. Okay, so you have to make sure to click on that. And second, then you have what you have to do. Then I'll be giving you one zip file. Okay, so in the zip file, what you have to do. Suppose I have given you zip file, so first you have to make it unzip. After making it unzip, then you have to go inside your folder, and then in Windows Explorer here you have to open the CMD. Okay, and to so open CMD, what you have to do, you have to click to this previous location icon, and here you have to type CMD and hit enter, and here you have to type one command pip install r requirement.txt and hit enter. Okay, I will include all the libraries inside this txt file. Okay, and just hit enter. Okay, and after this command, then you have to run this type this command python main.py. Okay, so this is the command which we have to type. But for my case, my version is 3.10, and I have changed my Python exe file with 3.310. Okay, that's why I have to type this. But for your case, you just have to type Python only. Okay, so then after you have to hit enter. And in case if any issue occurred here, then just do let me know. Okay, I'll help. Okay, so as of now, I have kept a name as a height. So if you want to change in your this name, then do let me know. I'll change and make it like this. Okay. So here first we have to provide a URL like any website URL. So I'll be using test PHP one web. Okay, because that is open source and open for practice. And I recommend it, don't do not test or do not run this tool on particular genuine website. So because it may occur a issue, or because we don't have permission to test their website, right, to hack their website. So that's why, but this website is open for this kind of thing. Okay, so you just have to type the URL, and then it will scan the website, and it will fetch all the URL, like whatever the URLs available in the website or pages. Okay, so it will fetch all the URLs, and then it will process one by one, just like this. First it is processing this URL, then it has found the SQL vulnerability, and it has the SQL vulnerabilities. Okay, in the SQL vulnerabilities, it will check each and every payload. Okay, and then it will go for went to for XSS, and yeah, XSS vulnerability is also there, and then it went for CSRF, so it was also there, and then it went for remote code, then this security misconfiguration. So whatever vulnerabilities it detect now, it will give you in red color. Okay, so this way, it continuously scan all the website links. Okay, whatever links are there, it will scan each link one by one. Okay, this as well thing take times because it almost hit 30 or 35 links at a time. So that's why it take time to execute SQL vulnerabilities to detect it. So okay, and rest it is it detect quickly. Okay, so this way, it continuously checks the website for the these vulnerabilities, and if it is found, then it will give you alert in this red color. And if it is not there, any not vulnerability is there, then it will not give you any any kind of alert thing. So this way you can see it is continuously going on. So if you want to stop this tool, so you just have to press Ctrl C or Ctrl Z, or else the simple way you just have to close the window, that's it. So yeah, this way your system is working. Okay, so yeah, this is all about your project. Okay, so I'll suggest install VS Code. Okay, and in the VS Code, then go to file section, and, and then go to open folder and select your project folder, so that you will have this like project kind of structure, workshop kind of structure. Okay, and do let me know in case of any issue or doubt. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.